hot new products on the Petra website, as well as a brand new flyer, and time is running out to win $25,000. Hi, I'm Aaron Rayner, Web Marketing Manager with Petra Industries. It's Wednesday, and it's time to check your Petra Pulse. Now, I'm not saying that I speed, but if I were to go just a little bit fast, I'd want something like this. The Whistler High Performance Radar Laser Detector with blue icon display, Petra part number 178676, which offers patented pop mode detection and total band protection. With 7-segment icon display and a high performance platform, this unit would keep me, I mean lead-footed drivers that I have nothing in common with, from expensive tickets and fines. I'm just saying. Petra has brought in the Nintendo Wii Fit push-up bar from CTA, Petra part number 180803, which will take your customer's Wii Fit workout to the next level. Made specifically for the Wii Balance Board, it attaches securely to the board, bringing the user's body higher to perform deeper push-ups. The push-up bar is compatible with the Wii Fit Plus, Julian Fitness Ultimatum 2009 and 2010, as well as the new U Fitness. Time to work out those pecs. Check out the Olympus 14 megapixel Stylus 7030 digital camera, Petra part number 181585. Now, not to sound like an old grandpa or anything, but back in my days, our digital cameras were just 1 or 2 megapixels. So 14 megapixels, I mean, that alone blows my mind. I'll be making posters with this bad boy. Pair that up with the 7-time wide optical zoom, a 2.7-inch LCD, shadow adjustment technology, beauty mode, and beauty fix, and you've got yourself a pretty impressive camera. Check out all the color options by searching Stylus 7030 on the Petra website. For a look at all the latest products this week, visit petra.com/new@Petra. Petra's latest mobile AV flyer is on its way to a mailbox near you, hopefully your mailbox, but you can check it out right now at petra.com/current-email. Packed full of great products from Clarion, Pioneer, SiriusXM, and more, this flyer comes fully loaded with 189 pages of the hottest products your customers demand. There's goodies in the closeout section, including DB Drive 6.5-inch Platinum Series coaxial speakers, Petra part number 147399, which at 39% savings, it offers an incredible value to improve your customers' in-vehicle listening experience. Also, Power Acoustics hard-hitting 1800-watt Class D mono amplifier, a steal that won't be in stock long at 30% off. And check out Whistler's XTR 330 radar laser detector with real voice alerts, Petra part number 154256, for when your customers get so into their music from all the awesome sound system gear you've hooked them up with, they lose track of their speed. Again, not that I would know anything about that. As always, that's just a few of our closeouts this week. You can get happy go crazy nuts as well by clicking on petra.com/closeouts. I mean, really, it's truly becoming my happy place. The deadline for entering the first round of our 25th anniversary $25,000 giveaway is almost here. Why haven't you entered yet? Are you too good for our free prizes and money? I mean, seriously. The deadline is March 31st, and in addition to entering to win $25,000, you'll also be entering to win our first round of quarterly prizes, which includes a slick 46-inch Samsung 1080p LCD TV, a sweet Samsung Blu-ray disc player, Microsoft's best-selling Xbox 360 Elite system, and a 32GB iPod Touch case and headphones. These are some awesome prizes which I would jump on the chance to win, but instead I have to live vicariously through your entries. So sign up today at petra.com/25K. I looked over your charts and you're going to pull through. Remember, Petra is dedicated to providing service integrity and delivering value to help ensure the success of your business. Have a great week and check back with us next Wednesday. Your pulse has been checked.